Hello there and welcome back. Today we're going to set up static quality analysis for our React, TypeScript and Tailwind project. These will help us maintain high code quality and consistency. Tools like ESLint and Prettier help identify issues in your code without executing it. They can catch syntax errors, potential bugs, and enforce consistent coding styles. This is crucial not just for individual developers, but especially for teams to maintain a clean and manageable code base. Let's start by setting up ESLint and Prettier at the project level. This ensures that our code quality checks and formatting rules are consistent no matter who works on the project. We need to install ESLint and we're going to initialize it by following the prompts to set it up based in our project. We're going to select check syntax and find problems. We're not going to enforce code styling, we will leave that for Prettier. We will use JavaScript modules, React with TypeScript, and our app runs in the browser. JSON for the configuration, and we want to install the required dependencies with npm. Okay, now that we've done ESLint setup, we're going to set up Prettier. We're going to install it and we're going to create a Prettier config file. Adding some rules. Now this step is optional. We're going to install some ESLint plugins for Prettier. This is to prevent conflicts between ESLint and Prettier. And we're going to update our ESLint configuration with Prettier setup. Next step is to add some ignore files. This is for ESLint and the same for Prettier. Alright, we have set up ESLint and Prettier in our project. Next, we're going to see how we can set up Husky. Husky allows us to use Git hooks in a simple way, and we use it to set up a pre-commit hook. This hook acts as a gatekeeper, ensuring our code meets quality standards before we even commit. We're going to use it alongside with another tool called lint-staged. Imagine you have changes to several files but only want to commit a few of them. Without lint-staged, running ESLint through Husky would check all your files, which isn't just inefficient but might also include changes you're not ready to commit yet. Lint-staged cleverly focus on just the files you stage for commit. This means faster, more relevant checks and no accidental commits. This combination of Husky and lint-staged ensures that every line of code we commit is up to the standards without the extra overhead. Alright, let's get into setting them up in our project. First, we install lint-staged and Husky. We add a script to our package.json to ensure that Husky is set up properly in our environment, and we run that command once. Now we're going to add a lint-staged configuration to our package.json. This configuration will define which linters and formatters should run on which file types. This configuration tells lint-staged to run ESLint fix and Prettier write on our JavaScript and TypeScript files, and Prettier write in our CSS and Markdown files. Next, we're going to use Husky to add a pre-commit hook that will run lint-staged. We're going to make sure that the hook script is executable, and we're ready to test our pre-commit hook. I'm going to add a change and I'm going to try to commit. As you can see, the pre-commit failed. It's saying invalid single quote value. That's because I'm actually using double quotes. I'm going to remove the rules that we added, and now we can try to commit again. As you can see, we were able to commit our code. That brings us to the end of our journey today in setting up static code analysis for our project. We've gone through installing and configuring ESLint and Prettier and also setting up our pre-commit hook with Husky and lint-staged for an automated quality check. Thanks for watching, keep coding, and I'll see you in the next video.